Okay, so this is a quick video about Yazi, the file manager. By default, it doesn't show hidden files and folders. I'm just going to quickly show you how to set it so that it show hidden files and folders by default when you open it. I'm just going to open it. As you can see, it shows my hidden files and folders already. So just go to config and then obviously to the Yazi folder. If this doesn't exist when you install it, just create a yazi folder and a yazi.toml file. And then you don't need any of these, but you can have this setting in there. So show underscore hidden equals true. Now it doesn't always, no, it actually does work. Why it didn't work for me is this was actually set to it was spelled out. So this manager was spelled out. And it shouldn't be spelled out. That was the mistake. So just put it as mgr, and that's basically that. Let's go out. So when you close it, open it, it will always show the hidden files and folders, like all your dot folders. That's it. Good.